Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing one of my favorite video game, Terraria, and I just ate a mushroom. I don't know why. Hello, Mr. Slimy Slime. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that. My brother just is making a lot of noise. Okay, let's continue trapping down the street and get some wood. Oh yeah, my character, I made him my channel colors. But the boots are different. Okay, so if you don't know what Terraria is, it's a survival game. Ooh, hi worm. Okay, so this is Brett. No, wait, Haley? What's his name? Harley. Okay. Yeah, so in just a different world, his name's Brett. Ooh, 2 worms. Oh man, I wish I had the bug net. No! Yeah, so if you don't know what Terraria is, it's like a survival game with magic stuff. Wait, how much mana do you start with? 20. Just get some wood. Maybe we could go find the dungeon. Man, I'm really not used to a new character. Okay, should me and Harley be roommates? No. Okay, I'm gonna build my... Okay guys, my house is finished. Well, it's a little not. I just want to be on camera while I make like armor and stuff. Well, let's get a hammer. There we go. I have a wooden hammer now. Let's break these walls. Grab the wooden hammer, break these wood walls. Hey look, a duck. Me too. Look, a duck. Quack, quack. We'll just leave it. What the? Okay. Of course, the house is missing lights. I can build a... torches. Or a duck to put up. Then let's... This house is suitable. Harley, have a house. I know how to play this. I actually am really good at this game. Playing it for a while now. Need a door. Now let's chase that slime. Stab, 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 stab it. Die. Yay. Let's grab my axe. I'll be getting some wood because it does take a long time. So see you. Hey, look, there's some lead. Wait, I see ice. Oh, let's mine this lead. A winter biome. Yay, winter biome. Let's go. Penguins. Hey, look, Demon Alto. At least I know that there's a Demon Alto here. Okay, there we go. Yay! And there's a Demon Alto. If you don't know what a Demon Alto is, it's that thing right there. They can look different, and also they are used for crafting. Well, they can be used. 3 different... I am very stupid. Oh my gosh, winter. I wish I could grab a pet penguin. Well, let's explore this place. I know I don't have... And then there's some more wood. It's a different kind of wood. I'm going to be mining wood later. Let's light up this place. I wonder what those things are even for. Let's explore down here. Fudge, fudge, fudge. I can't see anything. Okay, I need some sort of light source. Snowball. Another healing potion. That's nice. I can heal myself. Fudge, I'm gonna drown. I'm gonna drown. I have no light source. I'll see it. Guys, I randomly got out, but now these ice slimes are gonna kill me. Wait, they have 80 health? 30. Mushrooms only heal 15? Make some snowballs. Where'd they go? Go away, stupid zombie. I just want to go home. Oh, wait. I'm gonna die. Rip. Zombie Eskimo. They're called zombie Eskimos? I've been playing this game for like 76 hours and never saw that. That's kind of embarrassing. Okay, Brett. I mean Harley. I'm sorry. I know your twin brother. I have a brother? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you should stay in the area. That's a craft. Okay, I don't care. Ooh, ice torch. Frozen campfire. Ah, tiki torch. Let's make a couple tiki torches. Help me, Brett. Help. Harley! Man, I'm stupid. Guys, I know you're freaking out in the comment. Oh yeah, also another hint, the table and chair are also a crafting source. Nope. I'm gonna shut that door. What can I make? I'm gonna make that. Some wood armor. Go! Go! Demolish him! Demolish him! Demolish him! I'm gonna quickly get this tree. Three. Go! Go! We will not let him fight! Fight! We will fight for freedom! We will fight so we don't get infected. Ow, I'm about to die. I have no mushrooms. Okay. I'm just gonna put that in there because it's ammo. Okay, I do not need acorns. Let's get rid of that. Some lead. What can I do with lead? I'm gonna make a bow. Boom. Who makes snow? Hell. Oh yeah, you can underground heart crystals. Okay. I need something. Oh, a couple silver. Buy some more bronze. Make some fences. I want to decorate this place. Like, no! Harley, why did you kill that precious squirrel? There's a second one. Die. Whoops. Okay. That again. Now let's go over here with this and that. There we go. I'm gonna explore this way. Die. 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 Just die. Just die. Just die. Just die. Just die! There's a lot of trees here. Okay, so let's hit 5 likes. Let's hit 5 likes if you want to see more of this. What the? Let's just go a little exploring over here, this way. Ah! What's this way? Oh man. I'm sorry guys, we're gonna have to end the video, so please consider subscribing. And 5 likes if you want to see more. So goodbye!